Yes, good morning children. All these days we have learned clothes we wear, from where do we get those clothes and all. Now today we learn the fibers, about the fibers. From where do we get these fibers? We get these fibers from the natural substances. So fibers can be two types. It can be natural fiber or it can be synthetic fibers. And synthetic fibers are also artificial fibers. Okay, now we see the what are natural fibers. Natural fibers are made from the natural substances. What are those natural substances? They are plants and animals. These two, we get these fibers from these two substances, isn't it? So, natural fibers are made from natural substances. Those are cotton, jute, silk and wool. Cotton we get from the cotton plant. You might have seen the cotton sarees and cotton dress materials also. When you wear the dress also, cotton is very comfortable in summer because it absorbs sweat. Right? Now jute also we get it from the plant only. So what is the use of this jute? Jute can be made the jute bag, gunny bags, and we can make the ropes also. So these are the two uses we can do it. We can use these two material. One gunny bags and one is ropes to tie the big things and all. Now sweaters. In the winter season, what do you wear? You wear sweaters, isn't it? From where do we get these sweaters? From the wool. Wool, from where do we get this wool? We get this wool from the sheep. It's an animal. So that's why this is a natural. Means this is the natural fiber. Isn't it? Even the scarves also, it protects us from the cold, no? It will not let out the body heat. So it keeps us warm. So this we get wool, we get from the sheep. And silk sarees, in the parties and all, marriages and all, we wear the silk sarees, silk clothes. Isn't it? So that's one. From where do we get that silk fiber? From the silkworm. And silk fibers are woven. Silk fibers are woven in the factories and all. So that will be there. We can wear for the parties and somewhere if we go for the marriages and all. So silk fibers. Your mother also must be wearing the silk sarees, isn't it? For performing the puja and all. But here, among this, cotton is very comfortable, isn't it? Because while working in the kitchen also, you should wear cotton only, isn't it? So that's why cotton is very comfortable, not the wool and wool. Cotton, it can absorb the sweat. Silk and all will not absorb the sweat. Even the wool also, it will not absorb water. Now coming to the synthetic fibers. What are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Man-made fibers. These, what are those? Nylon, telluride, polyester. You must be carrying umbrella, isn't it? What is that umbrella? The cloth is made up of nylon. So even the raincoat also is made up from the nylon, polyester or plastic fibers. So that is. So synthetic fibers are man-made. So the sari which I wore is what? Synthetic. This is the synthetic fiber. How you crush, it will not, you will not find any lines or any creases on this cloth. So this is the synthetic fiber. But the cotton, however you make, just make a ball, so you will find all the creases on the cotton. For the cotton, after using it, you need to, after washing also, you need to iron it. But for the synthetic, no need of ironing. It is light, you can wear, but wearing this synthetic fibers, you cannot work in the kitchen, you cannot go near the fire also, because this will catch the fire very easily. That's why, and this will not absorb the water. Moreover, and this synthetic fibers will dry very soon. The water will be drained from this cloth. But few clothes you can wash it in your house, but few fibers, few clothes you need to wash it. How will you take care of these clothes? How will you take care of these clothes? Means you daily, when you take bath, you need to wash clothes, clean clothes, isn't it? But as per the season, we are changing our clothes also, isn't it? Summer we wear cotton clothes, but in the winter and all, the thick cotton clothes with cotton all season, we can wear this material. But silk, can you wear? No. Silk, how can it be washed? Silk can be washed with the light or sometimes with the dry wash. Means what? Petrol. You have to use the petrol. That is dry wash. Petrol wash is what? Dry clean. Give it to the dry clean and then wash it with the petrol. So that is dry cleaners. Even the nylon and all, this is very easy to wash in our house. So even the sweaters also, are you going to wear the sweaters in the summer or in the rainy season? No, we are using it only in the winter. So that is why how will you take care of this wool? You have to keep the naphthalene balls in the sweaters and keep it in the shelf. Otherwise what happens? The small bones will be formed in the clothes. Even the silk also, how will you take care of the silk cloth? You have to wrap it in a cotton cloth and keep the naphthalene balls or neem leaves. Or neem leaves also you can keep it in the safe. Otherwise what happens, if you don't use it for a long time, what will happen? Small bones will form in this. So to protect this fiber, we need to use the naphthalene balls and keep it in the shelf. Keep it in the almirah. So cotton is all time regularly we are using it. So we can wash it in our house also. Very roughly we can, because cotton clothes, those fibers are uneven. Whereas the synthetic fibers are evenly made. That is, these are woven in the factories. And these are cotton is though it is made in the factories, but it is made with the hand. Handmade cotton clothes are little bit thick and uneven it will be. So once again I will explain you. Fibers can be natural fibers or synthetic fibers. There are two varieties of fibers. One can be natural fibers and second is synthetic fibers. Natural fibers, we are getting it from the plants and animals. One is cotton, we get from the cotton plant, jute from the jute plant, silk from the silkworm, and wool from the sheep we get it. So what are the uses of these fibers? Cotton, saris, dress materials and all regularly we are wearing it in our houses. Jute, we make gunny bags, isn't it? And ropes also can be made. Wool, We get it from the sheep, and sweaters and scarves are made. Silk, we get it from the silk worm. So these are all natural substances. These fibers are made from natural substances. Synthetic fibers are man-made substances. So it can be little nylon, terylene and polyester. The best example I can give you, the sari what I wore is a synthetic sari. So if you crush it also, it will not get dry, and this will be dry very soon. This artificial substances, fibers are very light and good looking. It's very nice, smooth also. So that's why, and this will not absorb the water. Now how will you take care of your clothes? Regularly we can wash these clothes, but some clothes we cannot wash in our houses. We have to give it to the dry clean. Dry clean means what? They will wash with the petrol. Dry clean means what? With the washing with the petrol. Not all the clothes can be washed with the petrol. Only few clothes can be washed with the petrol. Now, lesson number 4. Clothes we wear, page number 178, 179, and in the last class we have seen the leather also we get it from the animals, jackets and all, isn't it? We make shoes, that and all we have seen. Now see, fibers. You can see in the textbook, page number 179. Fibers can be natural or synthetic. Synthetic fibers are also called artificials. Natural fibers are made from natural substances like cotton, silk, jute and wool. We get cotton from cotton plants. This is the cotton plant, and rope, gunny bags. We use jute to make ropes and gunny bags. We use wool fiber to make sweaters and scarves. We get wool from sheep. And how nice, beautiful frock, no? This is shining. We get silk from silkworm. Clothes are woven from silk fiber. Clothes are woven from silk fiber. Now turn the page. You can see the difference. You will come to know the difference between the synthetic fibers and natural fibers. Both you can just touch and see. By seeing only you can make out how are the synthetic and the natural fibers. 1. Synthetic fibers are made. See, synthetic fibers are man-made. They are also called artificial fibers. Nylon, terylene, polyester are some man-made fibers. Now you can see the nylon ropes. Nylon ropes outside when you dry the clothes. Isn't it? On the nylon ropes. When you tie these ropes and put the clothes for drying in the sun. So those things are there. Then polyester threads are there. Now nylon, terylene threads are also there. Synthetic fibers are easy to wash. Synthetic fibers are easy to wash. They dry easily and are not expensive. We should not wear synthetic clothes during summer and while cooking, lighting fires. These clothes catch fire easily and are not comfortable. They do not absorb sweat easily. They do not absorb sweat easily. Now, care of clothes. We should take proper care while washing our clothes. Some fibers can be washed easily at home, but some fabrics need proper care, especially the silk clothes. Proper care. They cannot be washed with water. They are washed with petrol. This is called dry cleaning. Clothes should be washed regularly. We should wear clean and ironed clothes. Clean, well-fitting clothes make us feel comfortable. And when you wear nice clothes, you will look very smart. And sometimes the clothes also, when after wearing the clothes, it gives some sort of confidence also. So that's why always wear washed clothes, neat clothes, and correct fitting dress you have to wear to look smart, gives good looking, feel very happy. Mostly when your happy birthday is there, that time you feel happy because you wear the new clothes. The colorful clothes gives you the smartness and the good looking also. Okay, in our next video, we will come with some other points. Thank you.